How to easily remove learn about this picture icon on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to easily remove learn about this picture icon on your Windows 10 or 11, then you just need to simply go with the search on your Windows and then search for regedit and then go with the Registry Editor and click on yes. And here what you need to do is simply go with the view option. Under view you need to go with the address bar. Under address bar you need to remove this address bar and then you need to paste the var which I have just mentioned in the description. So copy the link and then paste that here. Once you've copied and pasted, you just need to simply hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will directly take you to that kind of interface. Now once you've done that, you just need to simply open it. Open the new start panel, and on the right side of it you just need to simply right click on it and then go for new and then go with DWORD 32-bit value. And here I've pasted another command on the description. You just need to simply copy the second command and then you need to paste it right here. Once you paste it, hit the enter. Now double click on it and then go with the value data. Under value data, make sure you have entered 1 and then go with OK, and you need to go back and you can refresh your computer or you can simply restart your computer or your PC and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can easily remove learn about this picture icon on Windows 11 or 10. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.